IRS Form 5498 is the IRA Contribution Information Form. Your IRA trustee or custodian sends this form to you and to the IRS each year to report contributions, rollovers, and the year-end fair market value of your individual retirement account. You receive a Form 5498 for each IRA account you hold, including traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, SEP IRAs, and simple IRAs. It is informational and does not require any action on your tax return by itself. The top section of Form 5498 identifies the trustee or custodian, which is the financial institution holding your IRA. The trustee's name, address, and federal identification number appear in the payer box. Your name, address, and social security number appear as the participant. The account number field identifies your specific IRA account with that institution. Box 1 shows traditional IRA contributions made during the year. Box 2A shows the fair market value of the account at the end of the year. Box 2B is for the life insurance cost included in Box 2A for certain plans. Box 3 shows Roth IRA contributions. Box 4 shows rollover contributions. Box 5 shows the fair market value for certain non-publicly traded assets. Box 8 shows SEP IRA contributions. Box 9 shows simple IRA contributions. Box 10 shows Roth IRA conversion amounts. Compare the contribution amounts on Form 5498 to your own records. If you made a deductible traditional IRA contribution, you reported it on your Form 1040 when you filed. If you made a Roth contribution, it was not deductible but may affect future qualified distributions. You typically receive Form 5498 after the filing deadline in May, since contributions can be made up to the tax filing deadline. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.